Today is major disappointing. Well, this month is major disappointing. It's the end of month, September 2019. They did move this 12 hours to this check. So I got the 3 days paid today. Tomorrow I have to start the weekend. So I got 3 days in a row to work, and then I'm off Monday and Tuesday. 2 days of work and off for the weekend. 3 days in a row. So as I said last video, or last mid-month video anyway, the power bill got missed and the power got cut off. So I've changed that to auto pay and to come out on the 10th. I chose the 10th because the power bill is due by the 11th. Then they cut you off on the 12th. So I wanted to be like a day early. I should have actually put it on the 9th, but I don't know. And that way I could look and see that it really did get paid. It was kind of sad though. I actually had the money in the account. I just forgot to set it up. That was blatantly stupid. So I've set everything that I can, for the most part, now on auto pay. So hopefully that'll never happen again. And this is the disaster. I'm going to hide this a little. Yeah. This is the disaster that happened because of it. Well, I don't know if it's because of it, but this is the loan that I took. They sent me a check and I was weak and cashed it. That's what I bought the new camera with. I bought a Canon 77D. So city card's no longer zero, although I'm going to pay it off again here shortly. Spark card is up. Southern's up because it's a new loan. Capital One 8 is up and Capital One 0 is up. So 5 up arrows, which means I took a giant step backwards. Let's try not to have any more of these. And the grand total has gone back up. It's now $34,151.09. Oh, I didn't do it today, but I may rewrite all these and realign in order, because this should actually be up in here. This one should be before that one. I may like reorder those to get back in row to go lowest to highest. But this is why I prefer, in a way, to deposit the checks instead of credit cards, because you can't, although they did send me a thing, I qualify now for another $500, but I'm not going to go get it. The thing is, these get paid off rather than revolving. So even if you don't pay extra, it still has like a finite number of payments that you're going to make. And once those payments are done, you're done. So, anyway, a very, very disappointing September. Yes, it was. I think that's about it. All to report really for today. So thank you for watching. Leave your comments, questions in the comment question section. Tell me how bad I did. Oh, and I didn't pay the full $177 to Olo, so I need to add more to that in order to pay that off within the 9 payments. Otherwise, I don't get the free no interest. So I have to plan for that as well. Because of the power bill debacle, I only paid the $27 minimum payment, so I got to add $150 to $177 on the 18th when it's due. Which means this has to pay Mariner and Southern and the power bill. Although the power bill is going to be on the same day as the new check. And then this has to pay the new check. Any left over here has to pay the power bill, regional, C8, the phone, and if there's anything left over, Sept, 7, 12, 32, so $327. Might be most of that check. What else has to come out then? Nope, that's pretty much it. And then Progressive again on the 23rd. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So that'll have to cover Progressive as well before the following Thursday. So about all this check has to pay is those two, Progressive and Olo. How do you pronounce that? Anyway, let's hope for a better October than September was. I want to point out something, even though technically this is a budgeting channel per se, I don't really like the idea of budgeting. I don't like using the term budgeting. What I'm trying to learn how to do really is to live within my means, so to speak. And of course get all my bills paid off completely, including the house. That way I can live well. By budgeting, what I really mean is making sure that you don't spend more money than you're going to have available and have to go into debt. Does that make sense? I may make a video on that, talk about more about that later or something. And of course working 0 hours one day has to be worked into the budget. You can get a little bit of overtime. I was supposed to be off. Got called and asked if I wanted to come in. Of course I want to come in because I just got dinged with a buttload of extra charges on a power bill. So yeah, I went in. Most definitely. So leave me a comment, questions in the comment question section. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you didn't like it. Actually, that might be a thumbs down if you didn't like it, but do something. And I will see you in the next video.